Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time today. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is a Starbucks going 3.5 miles. It might be too early for this lobby to be open, but I'm not entirely sure, so I'm going to have to check it. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Ooh, not a bad start. I like how I said that was a good order, and now I've been sitting around for 15 minutes. Because what are we doing? Come on, give me an order. Was doing a lap around town, but finally got the next order. It's been so long since the last one. This is a Carl's Jr. going 4.5 miles. Well, that took forever. Apparently their whole system is down, like they can't connect to their internet, so they weren't even taking drive-through orders. But luckily they had this order on their screen, so that's all that matters to me. I think we're like 15 minutes past the estimated pickup time, and it looks like as soon as I drop this off, it's going to be the 1 hour mark, so 2 orders per hour, not very good. Total for that one was $11. Okay, I mean, not terrible. And got this one right away. This is Red Leaf Organic Coffee going 4.5 miles. Total for that one was $13. What the? I mean, I'll take that, sure. Thank you. And a customer added a $5 tip. Okay, I mean, I'll take it. Thank you. Anyways, got the next order right away. This is a Chick-fil-A going 7 miles. I've got a feeling this one's gonna be terrible, but I am willing to be surprised.
Do you have a personal order? Okay, perfect.
Total for that one was $10. It was okay. Could have been better, could have been worse. Got this order as soon as I drove by it, so I doubt it's ready for me, but we got a Taco Bell going 2.5 miles. Nice. That lobby's supposed to be open by now, but I guess we're not doing that.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. What's going on here? DoorDash and the GPS are taking me to 2 different places, which aren't even close to each other. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do. I mean, I could always contact the customer, but I don't really want to do that. That's like the last resort in my eyes. So I'm just going to follow the DoorDash map, and hopefully there's apartment buildings there, because this is an apartment apparently. Okay, I'm assuming it's here. Based on the map, it looks correct. Well, even if I was using the DoorDash map accurately as possible, they're sending me to like behind the property fence, so it would be wrong. But based on the pin and where the apartments actually are, it looks like it might be here somewhere. Anyways, total for that one was like $7, and we're going right back to Taco Bell for a 5 mile order.
Hey, are you...
You know, I was half expecting them to tell me to come inside for that. Well, we had a good run. Shout out to the first no tip of the day. Total for that one was $6. So bad. Next up, we've got a stacked McDonald's. This is $10 going about 5 miles.
Here's a Grubhub for Alex.
How about Grubhub for Patrick F?
Thank you.
I can see Caroline back there.
Next up is a Chick-fil-A. This one's $9 going about 4.5 miles. the next order lined up right after this. It is a muchas gracias, $12, going about 6.5 miles. Top floor we go. Thank you. You too. Got this one right away. It is a Black Rock coffee going about 2 miles.
Hi, picking up.
Yeah, for James.
James, awesome. Just got one for James.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. And that was a no tip. Very nice, very cool. Are we really ending the day with a no tip? I don't know yet. I'm just gonna start driving home very, very slowly, and we'll see what happens. Current time is 9:12. Total will be up on screen right now, and that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.